up? Welcome back to another episode of Science Girl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY tattoo. So let's move on to the video. Let's go! Okay guys, so what you're going to need is a bowl with water in it. You're going to need a picture that you printed out. I printed out a heart. And you can print out anything you want. It doesn't matter. You're going to need scissors to cut out your picture. You're going to need perfume or cologne. And you're going to need a paper towel. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is cut out your picture. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, so you don't need to cut out like exactly. You can just cut out a little square or circle around it. And then the next step is to spray it with perfume. So I'm just going to do that. And if you want, you can spray it on top of your paper towel. Okay, so now you take your picture that you sprayed with perfume and you're going to put it in the water, and then you're going to set a timer for 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set a timer right now. Okay guys, so it's been 3 minutes. So you're just going to take your picture out of the water, and then you're going to spray it with perfume again. So here's our perfume. Let's just spray it once again. Now you want to spray your arm where you're going to place it. So I'm just going to zoom in the camera. Okay, so I'm just going to spray my arm here because that's where I want to put it. And then you take your picture that you sprayed with perfume and put in the water. You're going to place that on your arm. And then you want to hold it down with your paper towel. And you want to dip this in the water a teeny bit. And you're just going to hold that down. And I'll tell you how long it took for mine to go on my arm. Okay guys, now I'm about to peel it off to see if it worked. Okay guys, so it did work. It looks like a real tattoo. Like when you put it on your arm. Now the paper is stuck on there. So if that happens to you, just wait till your tattoo dries, and then you can just wipe it off because it's paper, right? Okay guys, so that was the experiment for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and be sure to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And comment down below any video suggestions if this worked for you and what kind of picture you used. Anyway, bye, peace.